All right, here's a really quick how-to. I've been saving these fittings whenever I do plumbing. Oh, well, hold on. Ike wants to say hi. Hi, Ike. Ike. I know. Stay. I'm sorry. I'm busy. I'm sorry. So I've been saving these fittings because I always thought I don't want to lose this branch fitting. The copper rings are spent. There's no reusing those. But how do you reclaim these without having to cut these? And I think I figured out a way. Take this torch and 2 pliers. Torch. So I'm going to put the heat right there on the fitting. See how I'm grabbing it? I'm pulling against it. I'm pulling with both pliers. Alright, there's almost had that one. Alright, done. There, got my fitting back. See? You want to make sure you got a nice, still circular and not oval shaped fitting. Like if you try to like crimp these or bend these crimp rings to pull them off, you're going to crush your fitting and the fitting won't work. But I should be able to reuse this again. It's super hot, so always pick it up with your pliers, dip it in some water to cool it off, and you can use it again.